guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another English lesson for 10th grade. Please always wear a face mask. Past participle 2. This is part number 2 of the past participle. And the objective today is to ask and answer in past participle. En esta ocasión el objetivo es preguntar y responder en pasado participio. Recuerden que ya vimos la primera parte, que vimos affirmative and negative form, y ahora vamos a aprender a preguntar y responder. Alright? So let's continue. So, vamos a repasar. We're going to review here. Tenemos entonces have y has, que es del verbo haber, y drunk, en este caso, que es el pasado participio de drink, que es beber. So, drunk sería como bebido, ¿recuerdan? So it would be something like, I have drunk too much water today. Yo he bebido mucha agua hoy. Okay? You have drunk. Tú has bebido. We have drunk. They have drunk too much water today. Drunk. Y entonces has, cuando usamos has siempre con las terceras personas. He, she, and it. He has drunk. Él ha bebido. Okay? Él ha bebido mucha agua hoy. She has drunk. Ella ha bebido. Alright? So recuerden que siempre usamos have y has. Y el verbo siempre va en participle. ¿Recuerdan? Ya les di la semana pasada los verbos en present and past participle. So, espero que ya se lo sepan, que es importante. Ok. Todo eso viene en examen. Esto era un repaso. It was just a review. So let's move to the next part. So look, have you gone to the museum? En este caso, fíjense, estamos haciendo preguntas y respuestas. Affirmative answers and negative answers. Alright, so have you gone to the museum? Have you gone to the museum? ¿Has ido al museo? Entonces, si yo le pregunto a usted, have you gone to the museum? Y si usted ha ido, usted va a decir, yes, I have. Okay, esa es una respuesta corta, short answer. Yes, I have. Okay. Another question. Have you seen my phone? Have you seen my phone? ¿Has visto mi teléfono? Have you seen my phone? Y si no, usted no ha visto mi teléfono, usted va a decir, no, I haven't. No, I haven't. O, si se acuerdan la pregunta de arriba, have you gone to the museum? ¿Has ido al museo? Y usted no ha ido, va a decir, no, I haven't. Alright. So, así es como respondemos, yes, I have, or no, I haven't. En este caso solo usamos el pronombre I, pero recuerden que podemos usar she o he. En ese caso ya no diríamos have, sino has. He has. She has. Alright, so let's practice. Have you drunk apple juice? Have you drunk apple juice? ¿Has bebido jugo de manzana? Yes, I have. Alright? Good. Have you eaten sushi? Have you eaten sushi? No, I haven't. Has she played volleyball? Miren, en este caso estamos preguntando sobre ella, ¿ok? She, sobre ella. ¿Ha ella jugado volleyball? Has she played volleyball? Yes, so what would be the correct answer? Yes? She, what? She has or she have? She has. It's third person. Yes, she has. So, has she played volleyball? Yes, she has. Very good. So next, has he lived in New York? He. Fíjense bien que estamos hablando de he, de él. Alright? Has David lived in New York? Has Roberto lived in New York? Has he lived in New York? Yes, what? Suponiendo que sí, que él ha vivido en New York, ¿cómo diríamos? Yes, he has. Alright, very good. Let's move to the next. Have you listened rock music? Have you listened rock music? Yes. Eso es como que yo le pregunte a usted, have you listened rock music? ¿Cómo me respondería usted? What would be your answer? Yes, I have. Very good. Have you listened rock music? Yes, I have. Great. Next. Have they watched any movie on Netflix? Have they watched any movie on Netflix? ¿Han visto ellos alguna película en Netflix? No, they, because it's they, the pronoun, the person that pronouns they. No, they haven't. No, they haven't. Good. Have you spoken in front of an audience? Have you spoken? Do you remember the verb spoken? ¿Recuerdan el verbo spoken? Bien, está en participle. Viene del verbo speak, hablar, ¿recuerdan? Have you spoken? ¿Has hablado en frente de una audiencia? Have you spoken in front of an audience? No. I what? Haven't. No, I haven't. Have you spoken in front of an audience? No, I haven't. Good. Has she danced in electronic music? Has she danced electronic music? No. She hasn't. No, she hasn't. All right. Next. Has he done the homework yet? ¿Ha terminado o ha hecho la tarea él? Has he done the homework yet? No. What? He hasn't. No, he hasn't. Very good. Have you seen my money? Hey, have you seen my money? ¿Has visto mi dinero? Have you seen my money? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. All right. Next. Have you been to Italy? Have you been to Italy? Been, ¿se acuerda de been? Viene del verbo ser o estar. Ese es el participio. ¿Has estado? ¿Has estado en Italia? Have you been to Italy? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. So this is it for today. Thank you guys for your attention. Have a good day.